Hello, hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night from whatever part of the world you guys are watching. This is Ricky and welcome to another tutorial of Streamlabs OBS. Why I'm actually making videos of Streamlabs OBS. Well, a couple of YouTubers, friends from me, YouTube, Mixer and Twitch, they actually been telling us, oh Ricky, we would like to see how you actually stream and what type of stream software you use and how you use it. So here we go. This is a couple of like full videos of what do I actually do. Okay, but we're just gonna do like we're gonna do it by parts. You guys can actually see more in depth and more in detail what I'm actually doing. So here we go. This is a quick login logout, okay, of Streamlabs OBS. So this is how you guys do it. You guys are gonna go. You guys are gonna go to the right hand side corner, top right hand side, and there is a bottom right here that says login. You guys are gonna go right there. You guys can actually choose your provider. Let's call it this way. You guys can do Twitch, YouTube, or Mixer. Um, what I do is I go directly into YouTube. That's where I actually that's I have accounts, I mean, on Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer. But I don't know, just like it doesn't seem that it changes on preferences. So I just gonna go with YouTube. Okay, just gonna go with YouTube. Why I'm actually doing this? If I stream on Twitch, YouTube, and Mixer, there's a like a kind of uh, tweak that I do inside Streamlabs OBS, so I can actually stream to different um, places at the same time. So we're gonna go on into that in another video. So there we go. You guys have to sign in. That will be my video games world at gmail.com. Oops. Just gonna go through that. And then you guys put the password. All right. Let's see if that one works. Perfect. Yeah. Then we're gonna select the account where we want to stream to. So in this case, we're gonna go to my video games world. Okay, and allow. Sometimes it takes you to this login one more time. Okay, you're gonna go one more time to that and then allow one more time. Okay, if this thing happens right here, guys, where it says connect and still doesn't connect you, you just close this window, close that, click that one more time. All right, and tell YouTube to accept the notification right there. These are the scene collections. So let's suppose that we get an untitled. Okay, if you for any instance you already did a new update, okay, you gotta import all your collections. Collections meaning if you have like let's say different themes on your streaming, that will be it. Different skins. Let's call it this way. So we're gonna hit continue, and it's gonna import all those skins into scenes. So these are the scenes that we actually uploaded. So here we go. If you guys want to log out, you just click this thing right here, log out, say okay, and that's it. That's how you guys do the login, logout on Streamlabs OBS. Okay, see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get the notifications. We are actually on our next video, and this will be how to do the setup on Streamlabs OBS to your favorite server. Okie dokie. So here we go. Don't forget, of course, don't forget to comment if you guys are having, if you guys have more questions or if you guys having difficulties or setting up Streamlabs. Let us know so we can actually help you. All right. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.